Robust, waterproof, ready for any action. In tests, action cams also have to convince in terms of image quality, operation, and runtime. To show you the best action cams, we evaluated 740 tests. Hi, and welcome to our channel. Continuing with the GoPro Hero 10 Black and an overall rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars. At the time of the test, the price was around $390. Hooray, hooray, the new GoPro is here. Strengths: extremely high frame rates for individual purposes. Accessories from the predecessor can still be used. Weaknesses: not exactly inexpensive. High frame rates for great slow motion. In contrast to the last GoPro successors, Hero 9 Black or Hero 8 Black, which mainly received better displays and housings, the new Hero 10 Black now comes with an action cam with extremely high frame rates. With 4K recordings, 120 frames per second are possible, with full HD recordings even up to 240. In addition, the new model also offers a 5.3K resolution, 5,312, 2,988 with up to 60 frames per second. This makes it possible to achieve particularly great slow motion effects. All-round talent with WLAN and Bluetooth. GoPro keeps up with the times and promotes its new Hero 10 Black not only as an action cam, but also as a webcam and camera for live streaming. It is equipped with Bluetooth, GPS, and Wi-Fi. If you already own the Hero 9 Black, there's good news. Since the dimensions haven't changed, you can use all the accessories for the previous model on the new 10 version as well. By the way, I've linked you to all the featured action cams for even more details below in the video description.
Our conclusion? Of course, each product has its own strengths and weaknesses. So everyone should decide for themselves what suits you and of course your wallet best. We have linked all the products in the video description for even more details. Have you already decided? Or maybe you have one of these products at home. Then we would be happy if you let us know which device you prefer, and above all, why. I hope that I could help you a little deciding on your purchase. If so, please leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. That would really help us and the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you very soon. Goodbye.